In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Jabra headset microphone not working. The first thing that you want to do is to check for physical damage on the headset itself. If you have a wired connection, you can also try connecting a wire onto your device to see if you have connection with the wireless connectivity. From there, after making sure that everything works physically, you then want to navigate through your computer. Simply open up the Windows logo, click on the settings of Windows, and then you want to navigate through sounds. To make things easier, we can also do this by navigating through the system tray. Right click on it, click on the open sound settings, and then you want to make sure to choose the headset microphone. Now, if you cannot see it right here, this basically means that the headset microphone is disabled. So to fix that, just head over to the sound control panel. In here, click recording. You then want to look for your microphone, click set default, and then you can also navigate through properties, click on levels, and you want to make sure that it is turned up right here. Click on listen, and then we have the ability to edit this specific setting, but you also want to make sure that it is set to the default, which is going to be 48,000 Hertz. Click on the apply once more, click on OK, and then once again, you then want to choose your microphone right here. You then can go ahead and see the levels of your microphone when you speak, and if that is visible, it means that your microphone is working totally fine. If not, let's then navigate through the second step. Navigate through your Windows logo once more, click on Device Manager, and inside this page, you want to look for the sound, video, and game controllers. You want to look for your driver for audio. In my case, it's going to be Realtek Audio. You can right click on it, click on the update driver, and then click search automatically for drivers. This will update driver issues on our computer. Now, from there, you also want to navigate through the second options, which is going to be inside the human interface devices. In here, just look for the USB input device. This is going to be the input device that we use for our microphones. Once again, just right click on it, click on properties, and then you want to update the driver right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.